Hello everyone, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage. So we are here at the lake right now. We're in St. Dam actually. It's a small lake over here. Now we have our boat. We're gonna go run it for the first time, but I want to show a couple different things. First of all, the batteries. So this is a 4S, so we're gonna use two of those Power Hobby batteries, 6675C. The boat does call for 50C, and 50C is not enough. They say 5050C. I'd rather go with something a little bit higher, and those are actually pretty high density good batteries. They're actually pretty small for how big the capacity on it. Then I want to show a couple different things. So I did not do a video about it, but right here, whenever you get this boat brand new, you have to open those screws over there, and there is another thing inside. Let's open it up real quick. Okay, right here you have to open it up, and you have to disconnect the shaft. Is key number 12 and number 13, and you have to pull the shaft out completely, and you're gonna have to grease it. There is not enough grease inside from the factory. They do give you a small ball of grease that you have to use. Now let me show you how to put the batteries. Now before that, you want to add more foam inside where there is space. We did not have time to go to the store, so I was having one at home. So what you want to do with those noodles, you want to put them inside, and what it does actually, it's like if the boat will sink or something, this actually going to help it float. So you do want something like all over inside here, and please use those. Don't put those what you call them, those foam spray. It's not going to do anything for you. Foam spray absolutely not going to work. So make sure you have something like this. You put them all the way, and then later I'm going to put the longer one. This is just to show like what to put in and where. Now the batteries over here, the battery bay, they're pretty deep inside. They are right there. It's hard to see because it's dark, and I'm going to put the batteries over there right now, and let's go run it. Okay, so let me pull the batteries in, and then we're gonna jump back to the lake. Okay, so the battery are inside and they're strapped in. Now it will take a bit longer battery, so there is here 3 of them. I put it on the front to kind of bring the bottom, like kind of the front edge of the boat, because it's such a big boat. I want this front to be down. Now later on we're gonna add a GoPro here that will make the front a little bit heavier, and there is a trim tabs that need to get installed here. They don't give it to you with a kit, and then what happened, the boat want to keep up wheelie, and this is how they flip and cause problem. So this is something like to take out in consideration. Now again, you have to put grease. You have to remove this shaft over here. You know, there is a shaft going inside. You're going to pull the entire thing out, grease it out, and then this part here is stuffed with grease as well. It's very important because this is what will prevent from the water actually going back up to your boat. This is your drain plug on those boats usually. And again, right now it's ready to go. We're just waiting for another friend so we can show you like 2 boats running together. And this is the lake that we're gonna run. So this lake is kind of man-made lake, and it's pretty cool. And there's nobody here today, and like it's almost 11 and nobody's here, so it's perfect. Let's start. Okay, this is Eric at RC Monster Garage, and we're gonna run the Pro Boat today. We're gonna start it at 100%. We have the big batteries inside. We just run it a little bit right now. Just gonna back up gently, and let's see what will happen. I don't know even if it's trimmed straight. Let's go first straight and see where it's going. Okay, so straight is going pretty straight. We don't need to trim it anywhere. Woo! Oh, let's have some power. Okay, we're not gonna do steep turn yet or anything. We're just trying it to see. Yeah, it's pretty quick. So it's very interesting how it's built the power. So the propeller turn, and then it's taken a second to actually build the power. Look at this. It's kind of like fall into the water and then it's going fast. It's definitely a beast, and it's definitely very, very fast. Now the water here reflecting the sun, so I hope that anything getting caught on the camera. But again, look at the boat, it's just running, and then now it's merging to speed. And this is not even full throttle. Okay, let's wait for Darren to bring his boat and continue with 2 boats.